My name is Dr. Seamus Murphy and I am the manager of the Imaging Division within Oxford Lasers.
We have two product groups where we use short pulse lasers, our VisiSize particle characterisation systems and our laser illumination systems used in high-speed imaging. Our particle characterisation products are image-based systems using a shadowgraph technique to capture high-quality images of droplets and particles in flight, reporting size and velocity information in real time. The VisiSize P15 Plus is a game-changing droplet sizing system, compact and portable for use in lab or in field, and from setup to operation in 15 minutes. Our P15 Plus system is a really popular unit in the agrochemical sector. It has been used in field assessments of drone spray application systems to assess spray quality. The Class 1 laser-safe N60 system is another game-changing product. The ability to operate in difficult and extreme industrial environments, yet is simple to operate, capable of measuring droplets at 1500 meters per second and capturing detailed information to drive product development and understanding. One application in the steel industry utilised the N60 to capture detailed size and velocity data to allow optimization of the cooling process. Another application sees nozzle developers use our system in their product development to better understand spray quality. Our second product group, the laser illumination, transforms high-speed cameras into advanced imaging system solutions. We have two products. The FireFLY 500 watt unit for general high-speed imaging provides flexible illumination and operation, minimum pulse duration of 50 nanoseconds and continuous operation up to 100,000 Hz. The FireBIRD 1000 watt is the most powerful short pulse laser available in the market. Operating in both high-speed and ultra-high-speed imaging, is designed to meet the needs of difficult and challenging applications. With a 15 nanosecond pulse duration and an operating frequency up to 10 MHz, our laser was used in a biolocomotion study of a mantis shrimp, using a light sheet to illuminate the field of view to visualize how the shrimp swims through the water column, capturing detailed velocity vector information. Another significant use of our lasers is to image through bright events, such as a welding process. The unique single wavelength of the laser with a pan-pass filter enable us to see details of the melt pool and molten transfer process. In the area of medical devices, we work on a diverse range of respiratory and intranasal type devices, visualizing the formation and development of spray events, assessing performance and consistency of the devices for development of inhalers and the reformulation of active pharmaceutical ingredients in devices.